Hi there everyone, I'm Sharon Sims from Podcasting Hub Australia and welcome back to On the Couch with Sharon. Today I'm talking to you about some more reasons why you might like to start your own podcast. It's a great way to start a conversation. It's also a wonderful medium for educating, informing and even entertaining. Another reason to start your own podcast is because audio content is much more convenient for your listener. So it's an easy way for them to be educated, informed, entertained, for them to be taking part in a conversation because audio content doesn't need any specific equipment other than their phone and earpods maybe. They can be listening to you while they're actually going about doing other daily activities such as being at the gym, doing their housework, commuting to and from work. They don't have to set aside any specific time as if they were watching a video. So as I said, podcasting is actually more convenient for your listener and thus listeners are probably going to be more entertained and more likely to return to your podcast. The other thing is that podcasting is relatively easy and inexpensive to get into. Of course, you can spend money on some amazing and fun equipment, but all you really need to start is a mobile phone or a laptop. And then you can produce and edit your videos from those two pieces of equipment as well. Podcasting is a less rigid medium than other forms of broadcasting such as TV and radio. You've got a lot more creative license there. You don't have to stick to a particular format. So as I said, it's a lot less rigid and probably a lot more fun in that respect. Podcasting also is a great way to make some money. So there are a few ways also to make money through podcasting. So probably the first way is once you've created a large audience and you've got a large number of downloads of the podcast, you can ask for sponsorship. You can charge a fee to advertise other people's products and services on your podcast. You can ask for subscriptions. Now, most podcasts are free, but again, depending on your audience and depending on your podcast, you may be able to charge a subscription fee for the podcast. You can promote your products and services on the podcast, which is another way to create income. And you can also associate with some affiliates, so you can promote their products and services on your podcast. And of course, you can take a fee for that as well. Podcasting is low to no maintenance as well. So once you've gone through the hard work of creating, branding, promoting, marketing your podcast, you upload and literally set and forget and just allow the listeners to go about and listen to your podcast and take the action from there. But most of all, podcasting is fun. And I'm speaking from personal experience here. I create many podcasts and I absolutely love it. It's not like work at all. It's great fun. So thanks for listening and stay tuned, and I'll be back with another episode of On the Couch very soon. I'll see you on the couch soon. Bye for now.